Hello and welcome to Daily Sala Digital. You're watching Newsprint and please do like this video so that we get a better reach. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has invoked Article 99 of the UN Charter calling on the UN Security Council to address the war in Gaza. This marks the first time in 50 years that this powerful tool has been invoked. The move comes as the Security Council has yet to adopt a resolution for a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas. Article 99 grants the Secretary General the authority to independently convene a Security Council meeting to address emerging threats to international peace and security that are not yet on the Council's agenda. Over 16,200 people have been died in Gaza and over 42,000 have been wounded since the October 7 attack. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi has detected 7 positive instances of Mycoplasma pneumonia, also known as walking pneumonia, within a 6-month period from April to September of this year. Responding to media reports suggesting a connection between these cases and the recent increase in the respiratory infections in China, the center clarified on Thursday that such information is misleading and false. The Union Health Ministry released a statement affirming that these 7 cases are entirely unrelated to the recent rise in the respiratory infections affecting children in various parts of the world. The Enforcement Directorate has filed a charge sheet accusing Chinese phone maker Vivo along with key individuals including Hari Om Rai of Lava International of using shell companies to launder rupees 1 lakh crore outside India between 2014 and 2021. The probe revealed that Vivo incorporated 19 additional companies with Chinese nationals controlling the supply chain. The charges under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act assert that Vivo entered India under the guise of wholesale cash and carry business to conceal its real ownership. The investigation also found no reported profits and no income taxes paid in India, while substantial amounts were allegedly siphoned off abroad. BJP criticizes Congress leader Revanth Reddy's alleged DNA comment accusing him of attempting to divide India. Reddy, recently sworn in as Telangana's CM, claimed Telangana DNA superiority over Bihar, drawing sharp rebuke from BJP leaders including Ashwini Chobe and Ravi Shankar Prasad. The BJP asserts that Congress is fostering division, questioning the silence of leaders like Sonia Gandhi and Nitish Kumar on the divisive statement. In a startling incident in Bengaluru's Nelamangala area, thieves attempting to break open an ATM with a gas cutter accidentally burned a significant amount of cash to ashes. The Mumbai branch of the bank detected the incident through CCTV, prompting the building owners alert. The robbers fled, leaving their equipment behind. Bengaluru City Police are investigating the matter, with further details are awaited. Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge voices strong opposition to Hindutva ideology Savarkar's portrait in the State Assembly, citing concerns about divisive ideologies. The life-size portrait was unveiled during the previous BJP government, prompting speculation about its removal. Chief Minister Siddharamaiah defers decision to the Speaker, while discussions arise on installing Jawaharlal Nehru's portrait, adding to the ongoing debate. A shocking video of road rage in Bengaluru depicts a man attacking a car's windshield with a rock after a dispute over a U-turn. Bernard Mascarenhas, who captured the incident, posted it on Instagram. Mascarenhas filed an FIR against the aggressor, expressing concern for his safety. The video, garnering over 1,67,000 views, has sparked discussions about aggressive road behavior in the city. Witnesses corroborate the incident, highlighting the need for police intervention and consequences for the attacker. Amid the ongoing COP28 summit at the United Nations, Gautam Adani, the chairman of the Adani Group, has declared the group's dedication to transforming the cement industry through sustainable initiatives. Adani announced on the social media platform X that the group's companies, Ambuja Cements and ACC, are at the forefront of incorporating sustainable practices in the cement sector, highlighting that over 90% of their production now involves the recycling of fly ash and slag. He emphasized the commitment to achieving the target of powering 60% of their cement production with renewable energy sources by 2028, aiming to position the Adani Group as a leading player in the global realm of sustainable cement manufacturing. On December 7, the International Cricket Council revealed the new logo for the upcoming ICC T20 World Cup for both the men's and women's tournaments scheduled for the next year. The logo is a creative fusion of a bat, ball and energy, representing the fundamental elements of international T20 cricket. This redesign aims to capture the inherent excitement in every ball of T20 cricket, known for its dynamic pace and thrilling moments. Additionally, Additionally, the brand identity incorporates textures and patterns inspired by the host country for each World Cup edition. For instance, it features a distinct pattern paying tribute to the palm trees of the West Indies and stripes of the USA, which is hosting the ICC's Men's T20 World Cup in 2024. Google has introduced Gemini as its largest and the most capable AI model to rival OpenAI's GPT models. Gemini is strategically designed to elevate various aspects from Google's consumer applications to Android smartphones. The tech giant envisions Gemini being employed across diverse settings ranging from major corporations to everyday consumer devices like the Google Pixel 8 Pro, offering 3 distinct sizes: Ultra, Pro and Nano. Gemini is optimized for efficient operation on a spectrum of platforms, including data centers and smartphones. Google anticipates that Gemini will significantly enhance Bard's performance in terms of intuitiveness and task execution. Google stated that Gemini can summarize device recordings and generate automatic responses on messaging platforms, starting with WhatsApp. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salah Digital.